Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea at home. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's black, green, or herbal. You'll need about 6 to 8 tea bags or 2 tablespoons of loose leaf tea for every 1/2 gallon of water. Ensure you have a heat-safe pitcher or jar ready for brewing. This simple preparation sets the stage for a refreshing beverage. Now let's talk brewing. For a quick hot brew, bring 4 cups of water to a boil, then pour it over your tea. Let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. If you prefer cold brew, combine your tea with 8 cups of cold water and let it steep in the refrigerator for 12 to 18 hours. Remember to remove the tea after brewing to prevent bitterness. Once your tea is brewed, it's time to sweeten it if you wish. If you're using sugar or honey, add about 1/4 cup while the tea is still warm to help it dissolve completely. Stir thoroughly until no granules remain. For hot brewed tea, dilute it with 4 cups of cold water, then pour it over plenty of ice. Cold brew can be served directly over ice. Your delicious homemade iced tea is now ready to enjoy. Serve it over a generous amount of ice, perhaps with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint for an extra touch. For any leftovers, simply store them in a sealed pitcher in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 3 days. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your perfect glass of iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.